What is the neuroscience of Black intergenerational stress? Imagine carrying a weight so heavy that it affects not just your mood but your very brain and body. That's what happens when stress and trauma pass through generations in African American families. The neuroscience behind this shows how ongoing experiences of racism and discrimination can shape brain development and mental health. When someone faces chronic stress, their brain's stress response system gets activated repeatedly. This involves parts called the amygdala and hippocampus. The amygdala processes fear and emotional reactions, while the hippocampus helps with memory and calming stress. Over time, constant activation can change these brain regions, making it harder to regulate emotions and increasing the risk of anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress disorder. Pregnant women under stress from racism or trauma can pass these effects to their babies. Stress hormones like cortisol can influence fetal brain development, setting a foundation for future mental health issues. Epigenetics, which is how gene activity is turned on or off without changing the DNA itself, plays a big role here. Trauma or stress experienced by ancestors can modify how genes related to stress are expressed in children. This means that the effects of slavery, segregation, or ongoing discrimination are not just social issues but biological ones as well. Parenting in this context becomes even more complex. Mothers who experience high levels of stress or depression because of these pressures can unintentionally pass emotional difficulties to their children. This creates a cycle where mental health challenges are shared across generations. But resilience can help break this cycle. Strong family bonds, community support, and cultural practices can help regulate stress hormones like cortisol and boost immune health. These protective factors help buffer the negative effects of chronic stress. Understanding this neuroscience highlights why self-care and stress management are so vital for parents. When parents recognize how stress impacts their brains and bodies, they can seek support, practice healthy coping strategies, and create nurturing environments for their children. This might include talking openly about mental health, accessing mental health services, or building supportive networks. Taking care of oneself is not just about feeling better. It's about protecting the next generation's mental health too. In the end, knowing how intergenerational stress affects the brain and body underscores the importance of parental self-care. It's a powerful step toward healing and building emotional wellness in African American families. Addressing these biological effects through support and resilience can help create healthier, stronger communities for generations to come.